back to another video. Today we're in Liberty County as promised, and I just got the captain rank, and we're sheriff, and I just told you that they added detectives, like undercover agents. So let's put this on, okay? I'm gonna go show you the two brand new cars. So as you can see the sedan right here, you see this undercover, go undercover. And look how good that looks, dude. Look, watch, look. See? It looks amazing. Cause it's like, ooh, then you can just, if somebody breaks a ball, just suddenly just turn on your lights. But the new one that I like a lot, that looks so good with the utility, my favorite car, put on captain. You have to have the captain rank, which I just got, which is the ghost car. It's like you can barely see the lights. Like barely. But today I'm gonna first start with, for today's video I'm gonna start with the sedan first. Sedan undercover. Then we're gonna slowly work to the ghost. So let's go. Wow, these people. I don't care, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, requesting supervisor to my location. Let's go to his call. Okay guys, let's go. He called for backup. Well, let's go. I'm not a supervisor, but I'm undercover, so, but I'm still a cop, so does it really matter? Okay. Wow, there's a big scene here. What is going on here? What's going on here? Why is she even facing the wall? She's like, what's happening to me? I don't know what's happening. I'm just gonna be mean. Don't pass the circles. Okay guys, I just want to tell her that. Whatever. Oh, there's an ATM robbery! See, look. Let's, give my location, and then say I'm en route, which means I'm coming. Let's go. This car looks so cool though, dude. Oh guys, I'm not gonna go with my lights. So the robbers just still chilling, and if somebody's breaking the law, then I'm gonna turn on the pursuit lights and then go chase them down and arrest them. But first, where is that robbery coming from? The power plant. Ooh, that looks like a school name. Let's go to power plant. Oops. So, oh, that's the robber. I'm gonna tell the dispatch. ATM robber is in a black Prius. Alright guys, let's go. I don't know if that's a Prius, but I'm just gonna say it's a Prius. Whatever. So this car's actually kind of slow, but who cares? We just need to catch that robber. I think he's heading to the city. Let's have a look. Oh wow, what is this drift? I'm gonna go to the barn. I hope he's here. Because he needs to get arrested. Dude, move your car! Jeez. Okay guys. Wait a minute. Yeah, this car's not so well, like, as I pronounced, but like, let's change the car. Okay, let's turn right here. Park. Okay, let's get the brand new utility ghost slick top. Let's preview the lights. Ooh, salty! Ooh, look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at this awesome car. Suspect has been arrested. Wait. Location. Where? Okay, he lost his eyes. Like, lost eyes means like... Oh! Behind me! Right here! Sheriff's office! I'm gonna keep on showing them my location so we can get more units. Oh shoot, I lost him. Wait, I can still see him. I can barely see him. I can barely see him. Come on, come on, come on. Don't tell me he has just left, bro. Where is that guy, dude? Okay, okay. I hope he's still heading this way. I didn't lose him. Okay, he's right there. See what I mean? This car is like fast. They're requesting backup, new parking garage. I'm just gonna keep on saying it so they know where I am. Okay, this is a brand new location. Brand new location. I got one unit helping. Black Tahoe, yeah, Tahoe. If he doesn't pull over, we're gonna like literally arrest him. Okay, he's cutting off the road. He's getting off the road. Cause I'm an amazing driver. Oh, he flipped. We got him! Just boot it the game. Suspect caught near FD. Well, let's just search him. It's a girl, okay. Suspect in custody. Goodbye, girl. Wow. So, guys, hope you liked this short video. If you did, smash that like button, as usual, of course. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out now. What's that?